Assalamualaikum and good day. Welcome to our video. We are from Group 10 and this video is about types of swimming techniques. This is our teammates Zuhaira Nasrin, Farilal Ilyani, Nurin Hassanuri and Akila Zamzamil. My name is Zuhaira Nasrin binti Zulkifli. There are four types of swimming techniques which is front crawl, side stroke, backstroke and breaststroke. Front crawl is also known as freestyle stroke and a common swimming stroke. It is usually the fastest out of all competitive swimming, and the difficulty to learn is moderate. These are the four steps to swim front crawl. The first one is body position. You have to make sure your body is flat while your head looking at the pool floor and your body is close to the water surface. The second one is arm movement. Move your head pulling from front to the back from the top of your head and repeat. Do this alternating between your left and right hand. The third one is breathing technique. While moving your left hand, take a breath by looking to your right and inhale through your mouth. Repeat this action for your right hand. The final one is leg action. Point your toes behind you and kick up and down in a continuous motion from your thighs. And you have to make sure your legs are straightened out whilst kicking. This is an example of front crawl technique.
My name is Akila binti Zawzamil. Breaststroke. Breaststroke is a little bit different from both freestyle and backstroke, which is known as a short assist stroke. Breaststroke, you pivot your body around your midpoint while your upper and lower body are moving up and down at opposite times. Unlike any other strokes, the backstroke works your leg a lot harder. Breaststroke swimming technique. Breaststroke is a swimming stroke that involves a unique alternative movement of the arms and legs. There are basic steps for performing breaststrokes. Start by laying flat on your stomach in the water with your arm extended forward and your legs straight behind you. Begin by pulling your arms back toward your chest, sliding your hands along the surface of the water until they are at your chest. As you pull your arms back, bend your knees and bring them up towards your chest, keeping your feet together. As your arms reach your chest, push them forward and shoot your legs straight back behind you, kicking them apart and then back together in a frog-like motion. Once your arm reach full extension in front of you again, bring your legs back up towards your chest and repeat the process. Remember to breathe regularly during breaststroke by taking a breath as your arms are pulling back. You can also exhale as you bring your arms forward. This is an example of breaststroke technique.
My name is Nuri binti Hasanuri. Backstroke, the only stroke swam on the back. One arm pulls through the water from an overhead position to the hip, while the other arm recovers above the water from the hip to the overhead position. At the same time, the legs perform flutter kick. Backstroke swimming technique. There are several techniques related to breathing, body movement, as well as arm and neck movement that can be applied during backstroke swimming. The first technique is good balance in the horizontal position on your back to prevent from head submerged in the water. The second one is the arm perform alternating and opposite movements. And the last one is a six-beat kicking pattern is used almost universally, with each foot kicking 3 times per stroke cycle for a total of 6 kicks. This is an example of backstroke technique.
Side stroke. A swim stroke swam on the sides. Side stroke is not used in competition and therefore less known nowadays. It is swum on the side and use asymmetrical movements on the limbs. It can look peculiar for the first time you see it. Okay, how to swim side stroke. First, your starting position. Lie on the side you feel the most comfortable. Stretch your body, extend your legs and point your toes. You should also stretch your hands and keep them far apart. Keep your head out of the water and angle it towards your hips so you can maintain your balance. Second, legs movement. Your legs should do a scissor kick. Cross them at the hips and slice through the water till they meet in front of you. Third, hand movement. Move your hands so as to make them meet. 4. Synchronize of the arms and legs. Your legs should snap at the same time when your hands are meeting. This is an example of side stroke technique.